I did. What was it?
Huh?
Pardon you.
Huh?
Goodness gracious, Cole, say excuse me.
I'm not tooting. It's not me.
Of course not. Girls don't toot.
Yes, girls do too. I need a little help.
Okay.